Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make zucchini and squash stir-fry. This guide will help you create a quick, healthy, and incredibly flavorful dish that's perfect for any meal. We'll cover everything from selecting the freshest ingredients to mastering the stir-frying technique. You'll learn how to achieve that ideal tender crisp texture, ensuring your vegetables are never soggy. Get ready to transform simple garden produce into a delightful culinary experience in just a few easy steps. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need 1 medium zucchini and 1 medium yellow squash, both thinly sliced. For aromatics, prepare 1 small onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, and about 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, grated. For the sauce, have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and a pinch of red pepper flakes ready. These simple components will build a fantastic flavor base. Now let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Once shimmering, add the chopped onion, garlic, and ginger. Stir-fry these for about 1 minute until they become wonderfully fragrant. Next, introduce your sliced zucchini and squash. Continue to stir-fry for 3 to 5 minutes, aiming for a tender, crisp texture. Finally, pour in the soy sauce, sesame oil, and red pepper flakes, tossing for 1 more minute to coat everything evenly. Your delicious zucchini and squash stir-fry is now ready to be served. This vibrant dish makes an excellent side, but you can easily elevate it into a complete meal. Consider adding some cooked chicken, shrimp, or even firm tofu during the last few minutes of cooking for extra protein. For a final touch, garnish with toasted sesame seeds or a sprinkle of fresh chopped cilantro. Enjoy this quick, healthy, and incredibly satisfying meal you've just created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.